Hello, how to solve for s and y in this equation? S plus y is equal to 6, sy is equal to 100. Solution. S plus y is equal to 6. Let us call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 100. Let us call this equation 2. Before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. From equation 1, s plus y is equal to 6. Y will be equal to 6 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. Then from equation 2, sy is equal to 100. Now let us substitute for y, which is 6 minus x. We have s bracket 6 minus s is equal to 100. Let us open the bracket here. S multiplied by 6, this is 6s minus s multiplied by x, s square is equal to 100. Here we have 6x minus s square. If you bring this 100 to this side, it becomes minus 100 is equal to 0. Now this can be written as minus s square plus 6s minus 100 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Then if you divide this by minus 1 and divide this by minus 1 and divide this by minus 1, also is 0 by minus 1, the whole of this equation will become s square minus 6s plus 100 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. From quadratic general formula, s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 100. Then s is equal to minus bracket minus 6, which is b, plus or minus square root of b square, that is minus 6 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1, multiplied by c is 100 over 2 multiplied by a is 1. S is equal to minus times minus 6, this is 6, plus or minus square root of minus 6 squared, this is 36, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 100, that is 400 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 400, that is minus 364 over 2. And this is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 364 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. S is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 364 can be written as 4 multiplied by 91 then multiply by minus 1 over 2. S is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 4, that is 2. Square root of minus 1 is I, then square root of 91 over 2. And this is 6 over 2 plus or minus 2i square root of 91 here over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 3. S is equal to 3 plus or minus I square root of 91. Therefore, x1 is equal to 3 plus I square root of 91. And the s2 is equal to 3 minus I square root of 91. These are the values of x1 and s2. We've gotten the value of s1 and s2. Let us solve for y1 and y2. To solve for y, then from equation 3, y is equal to 6 minus x. Y1 is equal to 6 minus x1 is 3 plus I square root of 91. Y1 is equal to 6 minus, if you open the bracket with this negative 1, we have 3 minus I square root of 91. Y1 is equal to 6 minus 3. This is 3 minus I square root of 91. This is the value of y1. Also, y2 is equal to 6 minus s2. y2 is equal to 6 minus s2 is 3 minus I square root of 91. y2 is equal to 6 minus 3 plus I square root of 91. y2 is equal to 3 plus I square root of 91. This is the value of y2. Now, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 3 plus I square root of 91, 3 minus I square root of 91. Then s2, y2, this is equal to 3 minus I square root of 91, 3 plus I square root of 91. These are the final answer. You can see that the value of s1 here, which is 3 plus I root 91, is equal to the value of y2 here, which is 3 plus I square root of 91. And the value of y1 here, which is this, is equal to the value of s2 here, which is also this. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation s plus y is equal to 6, then sy is equal to 100. When s1 and y1 is equal to this and s2, y2 is equal to this, we may make use of any of the following answer. Then I'm going to make use of s1, y1. Let us consider this. S plus y, this is 3 plus I root 91 plus 3 minus I root 91 must be equal to 6. This cancel this. We have 3 plus 3 must be equal to 6. And 3 plus 3, this is 6, is equal to 6, which is true. Now let us consider this. Sy, this is 3 plus I root 91 multiplied by 3 minus I root 91 must be equal to 100. 3 times 3, this is 9 minus 3 multiplied by I root 91, this is 3I square root of 91. Then this is I root 91 multiplied by 3, 3I square root of 91, then minus I times I square multiplied by square root of 91 times square root of 91. This is square root of 91 square. Now must be equal to 100. This cancel this, and this cancel this. We have 9 minus I square, that is minus 1 multiplied by 91 must be equal to 100. Then we have 9 minus times minus 1, that is plus 1, times 91, that is 91, must be equal to 100. Then here, 9 plus 91, this is 100, is equal to 100, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.